Hi guys, this is Jerry from Jerry Builds Brakes, and today we'll do the first review on my channel for some really cool 3D printed custom parts that I got from Portugal. So let's go! So recently I was contacted by this guy called Brick the Brick 15 from Portugal, and he does all these awesome 3D printed parts for your cars. You can see he has a lot of them, each of them are made specifically for a different car brand. And he even paints them, so you can select black, silver, red or any other color you want basically, and you can even combine them together. What I also forgot is that he made a mod for my 1989 Batmobile and he put it on Rebreakable where you can find it. And he even made the version with the shield that Batman uses when he's away from the car to protect it from the bad guys. What a cool build! So the package arrived in about 2 weeks, and as you can see everything is very well protected. And here we have the invoice with a little thank you note. By the way, I love the graphic, he really pays attention to all the details. So let's take a closer look at the package itself. And here we have his business card, which is really cool, it keeps the same graphics. And here we have the QR code for his website. Really nice. I guess this should be everything. Yeah, nothing in there. And these are the stars of the show. My new 3D printed custom rims. Yay! So we have a gold ones for the Lamborghini and another gold ones. Nice. We have the Porsche and the Audi. Everything in here. I can't wait to try this on. Take a look, very nice. Also got some for the truck builds that I plan to do in the future. And of course the F40. Oh, that's really nice. I like how it's shiny. Well, the yellow background is just there to make them stand out even more. And I love the presentation here. The only thing I noticed, there are some surface imperfections here and there, but yeah, that it's understandable. And these ones, they lost a bit of color here, as you can see. But in general, I really like how these parts are done. They are painted really nicely and so detailed. Just take a look. I just want to say here that I am not sponsored in any way. I got a little discount, that's true, but I ordered these myself and I think I will probably order more in the future. I just love the white color here and all the details on these Audi rims. I can't wait to see them on the car. The Lamborghini ones, yeah, and here you can see the little imperfection I was talking about before. I think it got chopped away during the transport or something, but that's okay, I can live with it. And the rest is totally fine, as you can see. These are the only black ones I ordered for the Huracan, I think they are. And yeah, the rest is fine. Again, the black ones, I can't wait to see them on the car. The Porsche, which is my latest build. And here you can see how I store my rims, like in single box, you know, all the Speed Champions, different style of wheels, all the hubcaps and decorations, nicely in one place. And yeah, this is what I usually try to use, like, you know, I'm a Lego purist if it's possible. And these are also some other decorations I use for the wheels. And of course the connectors. I would say I use the gray non-friction pin much more often than the tan one with the axle connector. And yeah, but this is what you will get in the package together with the wheels. So the part I was mostly worried about was the connection point, if it's really able to spin freely, you know, if it's sturdy enough. And I was a bit afraid that the wheel will be very fragile, but I have to say it fits kinda nice and snug, but as you can see it's maybe a little bit too much, so the wheel actually does not turn that well. But I guess if you are using this for display purposes, it's totally fine. I mean, the build quality is very similar to the official part. And these surprisingly have the axle connector instead of the pin, which I would actually prefer because I usually use the wheelbases that needs the other side to be non-friction pin, and the inside of the wheel can be anything else. And if I try to put these two together, it doesn't fit that well, but take a look. If you use the other one, you can still get friction from it and it turns. So that might be a solution as well. I don't like how it doesn't go all the way in, but maybe with a bit of fiddling you can fit them very nicely, you know, but just don't expect the quality to be like straight out of the Lego factory or something. It's just a display piece, you know. Let's check the colors here. I like the two-tone here on the golden one, with the bolts being just, you know, silver. And I like how you cannot see any gray through the rim, even if you rotate it. It's kind of hidden, so from the other side you can see the residues of the paint, but that's okay, I don't mind. The main thing is that from the other side everything is painted really nicely, and the black one, yeah, no problems here. Everything is nicely blacked out, even though from the other side it looks like this. So let's put them where they belong, on my cars. So we have the Audi Quattro S1 here, we have the Lamborghini Countach, and we have the Ferrari Testarossa, which is actually 8 to 9 wide in the back, and we have Porsche 911 Targa in black. All the rims are standard Lego parts, as you can see. I used anything I could to achieve the look. Here on Audi Quattro I combined two colors together to make them more off-roadish, you know. But yeah, the custom parts, they have much better proportion, I would say. I think they will be much better. And on the Countach, Lego just used the print on the flat 2x2 round tile, which I think looks very flat in comparison to the 3D printed rims. I will really like these ones when they are on. And I also got the silver variant. I might decide later which one I will use, maybe even do a second Lambo. And this is the Testarossa. As you can see, this is from F40 set. And again, these custom rims, they have so much more definition, so much more details. And the proportion also seems to work much better in this case. So the last one is the Porsche, which again I combined two colors to achieve somewhat of the effect that I wanted. But again, the iconic 911 rims will, I think, complete the build much more, and it will be a display piece for sure. So let's find out in the upcoming montage. So what are my final thoughts on these, ladies and gentlemen? I think they are worth every dollar that I invested in them, and I think you will see many more pictures on my Instagram with these rims on my cars, which will make them more realistic, I guess. But also I will always try to use the original Lego parts if possible. If they are not that great, you know, to complete the look of the car, I might order a few more, you know, for some fancy Lamborghini builds or classic cars, whatever. I just like them and I cannot recommend them enough. If you want some of these too, contact Brick2Brick15. I think you will find just what you need on his website and you will be very satisfied with what you get. So that's enough for today, and we'll see each other very soon at my new videos, new builds on my Instagram, where I also plan to do more shorts and short videos, and new instructions will be coming up very soon. So stay tuned and build something cool. And that will be really all for today. I hope you liked the review, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you are not, and I will see you next time. Cheers!